Go to website at classdojo.com. Sign up as a teacher, parent, student, or school leader. I'm going to sign up as a teacher. Create your teacher account. Sign up. Search for your school. You may have to name your school if it's not there. And join school. Create your class. You can invite a teacher to go teach your class. Add your students. Save. You can invite your parents and students to your class by sending them an email. Here are your students. Add the skills you wish to award your students. You have the option to award your own points or scores and select the points you want parents to see. You can also add negative skills. You can use this app specifically for classroom management. Add the behavior skills you wish to award as well as those you wish to punish. In doing so, you can award students or demerit them using the negative skills for punishment. Let's go ahead and add our skills. To do so, go to Options, Edit Class, Skills. So we're going to add some positive skills. Speaking softly. Always speaking softly. Now I'll add 5 points for that. Save. I'll add another one. Always on task. I'll also add 5 points. Save. For your negative points, go to needs work. Add skill. Something negative such as fighting. And they'll lose 4 points. Another negative point could be shouting. 3 points. Save. So all my points are saved. Now, if you want to award your student a point, select the student, select the point, always on task, and Maria is awarded 5 points. Select Jody, helping others, she's awarded 1 point. If you want to demerit your student, let's say you want to demerit Anne Maria, select needs work. She was shouting in class, then she would lose 3 points. See, she had 5 points previously, now she has only 2. You can use a toolkit on your phone if you want to be mobile in your class to add points to your students or demerit them. You can use the attendance register to mark them present or absent, whichever, and save attendance. You can use multiple to give your students multiple feedback for teamwork. You can select random to select any student. You can use also the timer to time your student at a particular task. To remove a student, go to Student Login, select the student you wish to remove, select Remove Student, and there it is, your student is missing. If you want to re-add your student, add a student and add your student. Add a student. So your student is back. If you have an error, you can select that and correct it. Add student and save. You can tap on View Report to see the report for the entire class. Go to Option, View Reports, and here you are seeing the report for the entire class. You can view a spreadsheet or you can print it. You can also select on the student to see the individual report for each student. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Class Dojo.